My name is Lim Ziwei. I am currently 20 years old. I am studying LCCI at Pintar College. I am very proud that I am one of the scholarship holders at Pintar College. I choose to study LCCI because it is an international qualification. It is recognized by most of the employers around the world.
I'm Jimmy, and I'm the founder and CEO of Pintar College. Our college has been established since 2002, and we started with only 4 students. Currently, we owe about around 300 and above for LCCI students. We have full-time and part-time students. Being the purpose, they are coming here to gain knowledge and get a good pay from their future.
I am Miss Chua from Pintar College. I am a lecturer and currently I am teaching course and management accounting in Pintar College here. Sometimes I provide tutorial classes for business statistics and also accounting subjects. Students are satisfied with the LCCI qualification. For our college, we have full-timer and part-timers. So for the full-timers, even though they didn't have any working experience, but then we use the storytelling approach and then let them to understand the picture easily. For the part-timer, they are excited when the syllabus cover the problem that they are facing during working.
When these students coming to our college, they can gain a diploma from our college and get the international qualification from LCCI too.
I very enjoy studying accounting in LCCI because it teaches me a lot of accounting knowledge. My LCCI qualification helped me have basic on the accounting and finance subject that I study in ACCA professional courses. Pintar College lecturers are very nice and patient. They encourage us to have two-way communication in classroom. They encourage us to voice out our question, and they will try their best to solve our question until we understand completely.
For our LCCI learners, they always go to accounting firms like our associate firms such as YK Group, HML, and also Christopher Hing & Co. They also go to other commercial companies like Pintar, Tesco, and work as account executive. I will recommend LCCI qualification to other teachers because LCCI qualification is a comprehensive syllabus for the student in their accountancy pathway.
I encourage them to take LCCI because they can save time and money in gaining an international qualification.
Especially in Malaysia currently is shortage of accountant. We try to make more students to fill the gaps.
When I say accountancy, you think of the numbers. But it's much more than that. To change things for the better, drive prosperity and create opportunity. Who can make the numbers do all that? We're leaders. ACCA accountants understand teamwork and know how to maximize opportunities. We're essential partners in getting businesses to achieve their goals. We're communicators, able to imagine and inspire. If all the world's a stage, you must be able to speak on it. We're pioneers who test boundaries and push frontiers. We challenge people to think ahead and make ethical choices. We love sustainable solutions to today's problems. The future is ours to protect and nurture. We're digital. We harness the power of technology to innovate and push boundaries and be a positive force for good. We're artists, applying original solutions to real-world problems. When misfortune strikes, it's not just money that's needed to rebuild, but an energetic mind and original voice to overcome the odds. We're ambitious. Our accountants know no boundaries and harness the power of diverse cultures to seek out international opportunities. Accounting is the global language of business, and being fluent can take you anywhere. So when I say accountancy, sure, think of the numbers. The number of lives changed, systems improved, business successes, environments saved. Studying to become an ACCA finance professional means to future-proof your passions, your skills, your life for the opportunities of a brighter tomorrow.
My pathway to consultancy was through industry. I initially trained as a management accountant at a bank within the UK. And then after 5 years, I kind of realised the thing I enjoyed most was change. So when I was looking for a new challenge, consultancy felt like the right choice.
Previously, I worked as a commercial finance manager, leading teams to improve project financials, making process improvements. I really enjoy the change management aspect of the role, and I also really enjoy the process improvement side of the role. So this is really what naturally led me into consulting.
I knew that management consultancy would give me a huge range of experience, a real breadth working for different companies, and so I applied for the role here at KPMG.
This qualification as a management accountant was more forward-thinking and strategic, and that was a way I could drive the business forward. Our clients look for that when they're hiring a team, so it really gives us credibility with those technical skills and the leadership skills that they require.
CIMA truly is a global passport as an accountant, and being a management accountant, it provides me with the flexibility in working in many different industries. As a consultant, CIMA also teaches how to think strategically. It has a nice overlap with business and enables me to partner with finance and non-finance professionals.
I didn't have a background in accounting, so CIMA was a massive shift in terms of what I already knew. I need CIMA to have an understanding of this content and to be able to write it and review it and make sure it's of quality. It's just crucial to have some basic understanding of finance, of numbers, of accounts, and it's incredibly useful.
The advice I'd give to anyone looking to be a consultant was that be open to new challenges, be open to interesting projects. That really is what the life of a consultant is about.
If I had to offer any advice to someone who is interested in becoming a consultant, I would say they need to be comfortable with ambiguity. Clients are going through uncertain times of change, and we need to be there to support them and give them comfort.
My advice to anyone who's sort of finishing a degree which isn't vocational is to think about consultancy. It is so varied, but it gives you such a good grounding in business, in networking, in people skills, in reporting. It's second to none. You're exposed to businesses you would never ever be exposed to in another field.
Hi guys! Accounting is crucially important as any of the element in a business. As Pintar College has been an expert in running accounting courses, come let us have a glance at the courses available at our college. In this Diploma in Accounting, you will learn lots of knowledge, including financial accounting, business management, marketing, business law, audit and assurance, taxation, economy, and many more. If you are a SPM graduate, you just need to pass your SPM, including English, with 3 credits in any subject. Then you may start the course straight away and grab the opportunity to master the knowledge for accounting. This is a 2-year program with a combination of 50% continuous assessment and another 50% after final examination. At the same time, we will provide LCCI program free for you. So, our accounting students will be able to gain a basic accounting knowledge and become multi-skilled yet competent in the market. Besides, if you wish to enroll in a local or overseas university, no worries at all. You can still enroll any of it by continuing to study 2 years degree in any of the university, and you will earn a degree in accounting. Our Pintar College is recognized by many professional bodies, such as MQA, HRDF, listed as LCCI Top Performing Approved Center, ACCI Gold Approved Learning Partner, as well as CIMA University Partner. This is our experienced lecturer team. Pintar College President Founder, our respected Dr. Jimmy Lim, he has won lots of awards, as you can see over here. He has won Persian LCCI Fellowship Award and listed as Successful People in Malaysia. Other than that, he also owns National Outstanding Educator Award and published his own SPM accounting books. Dr. Jimmy Lim's life quote is, "Success doesn't come from dreaming, it comes from hard work." Ever since the pandemic started, Pintar College has switched physical class to online class. Therefore, we had good experience in conducting online classes, which in very short period of time, it has more than 1,000 online classes has been done. Students or family that might have financial issue due to COVID-19, don't worry. Pintar College provide variety of financial assistance such as PTPTN, scholarship, HRDF, KWSP withdrawal, and education loan without interest. Therefore, during COVID-19 pandemic, no student should be left behind. Why Pintar College? Because it is affordable and convenient. Full-time and evening classes is available here. You can start our diploma course from as low as 340 ringgit Malaysia per month only. This is the scholarship table you may refer to. Here are the way we conduct classes, either through physical before COVID-19 or through online live classes at the moment. These are teaching and learning facilities provided by Pintar. To enhance study environment, Pintar College provide machines and equipments so our students can better enjoy during class. A piece of good news to share with you. We currently have 3 campuses. Our HQ is at Kepong, and another 2 branches located at KL City Centre and Rawak. What are you waiting for? Join us now. Should you have any enquiries, do not hesitate to contact us at any time. All of you are invited and welcome to visit our campus after the pandemic is stable. See you then. Stay safe.
Currently, I'm studying Diploma in Accounting at Pintar College, and I'm here to say that I'm very lucky that I have already joined, because all the lecturers at Pintar College are very good and also will make sure their students understand all the topics, and also they will using different kind of languages to make sure their students understand all the topics. For example, English, Malay, and Mandarin. And also for the notes that given are very good enough for us to refer, and also the staff at Pintar College are very good and also polite to us.
My name is Tanisha Maybe and I'm first year accounting student from Pintar College, Rama. Pintar College is a good choice because the courses at Pintar College is much shorter compared to other colleges, which makes us to graduate in a year. And all the lecturers at Pintar College are very friendly. Whenever we have a doubt in assignments or exam, we can contact them directly and can expect an answer immediately. And especially Dr. Jimmy, we can't forget him. Dr. Jimmy is a very, very friendly guy. I met him once at Education Fair and he was a fun person to talk with.
Hi guys! Business management is crucially important as any of the element in a business. As Pintar College has been an expert in running business course, come let us have a glance at the course available at our college. In this management course, you will learn lots of management knowledge, including entrepreneurship, business management, information systems, international business, business law, human resource management, and many more. If you are an SPM graduate, you just need to pass your SPM, including English, with 3 credits in any subject. Then you may start the course straight away and grab the opportunity to master the knowledge for business management. This is a 2-year program with a combination of 50% continuous assessment and another 50% of the final examination. At the same time, we will provide LCCI program free for you. So our management students will be able to gain a basic accounting knowledge and become multi-skilled yet competent in the market. Besides, if you wish to enroll in a local university or an overseas university, no worries at all. You can still enroll any of it by continuing to study 2 years degree in any of the university, and you will earn a degree in management or related field. Our Pintar College is recognized by many professional bodies, such as MQA, HRDF, listed as LCCI Top Performing Approved Center, and ACCI Gold Approved Learning Partner, as well as CIMA University Partner. These are our experienced lecturer team. Pintar College President Founder, our respected Dr. Jimmy Lim. He has owned lots of awards. As you can see over here, he has owned Persian LCCI Fellowship Award and listed as Successful People in Malaysia. Other than that, he also owns National Outstanding Educator Award, and he has published his own SPM accounting books. Dr. Jimmy Lim's life quote is, "Success doesn't come from dreaming, it comes from hard work." Ever since the pandemic started, Pintar College has switched physical class to online classes. Therefore, we had good experience in conducting online classes, which in very short period of time, it has more than 1,000 online class has been done. Students or family that might have financial issue due to COVID-19, don't worry. Pintar College provide variety of financial assistance such as PTPTN, scholarship, HRDF, KWSP withdrawal, and education loan without interest. Therefore, during COVID-19 pandemic, no students should be left behind. Why Pintar College? Because it's affordable and convenient. Full-time and evening classes is available here. You can start our diploma course from as low as 340 ringgit Malaysia per month only. This is the scholarship table you may refer to. Here are the way we conduct classes, either through physical before COVID-19 or through online live classes at the moment. These are teaching and learning facilities. To enhance study environment, Pintar College provide machines and equipments so our students can better enjoy during class. A piece of good news to share with you. We currently have 3 campuses. Our HQ is at Kebong and another 2 branches located at KL City Centre and Rawang. What are you waiting for? Join us now. Should you have any inquiries, feel free to contact us at any time. All of you are invited and welcome to visit our campus after the pandemic is stable. See you then!
Everyone, nama saya Susheti ialah DIA student from Pintar College Rawang campus. Saya telah belajar di Pintar College ada 1 tahun dan I have learned a lot of things in the Pintar College. Perkara-perkara yang mereka ajar adalah sangat menarik sebab mereka telah menggunakan pelbagai contoh untuk menjelaskan kepada kita supaya kita boleh mudah memahami. Dan mereka juga sangat ramah. Jika saya ada sebarang persoalan, saya akan menjumpai-nya sama ada cikgu atau Pintar staff dan mereka akan menjawab soalan saya dengan teliti dan sabar. Saya ingat pada awal saya mula belajar di Pintar, saya memang bimbang dan takut sebab Inggeris saya sangat lemah dan saya takut tidak boleh mengikuti progres mereka. Even now, my English is not very good, but I have improved a lot compared to before. Then everything that I learned in the Pintar is very easy and successful.
Hi guys, I'm Justin Ng. I'm from Pintar College and I taking Diploma in Accounting. This is my semester 4. During this time, I very enjoy and appreciate all the classes because all the lectures are teaching us very carefully. If you have any don't understand anything in the class, you can ask the lecturer directly. And the lecturer will be very patient to help you or to solve your problem. Now all the lecturers have a recording which is even better for me. And if you're missing anything, you can watch back the video again. Okay, that is all I'm sharing to you, and then welcome to join our Pintar College.
Hi guys! Marketing has been an essential element especially for today's businesses. Today, let me introduce to you Diploma in Marketing in Pintar College. We just got what you need to cope with the business work. In this marketing course, you will learn lots of marketing knowledge, such as consumer behavior, brand management, digital marketing, integrated marketing communication, customer service management, project marketing, and many more. If you are an SPM graduate, you just need to pass your SPM including English with 3 credits in any subject. Then, you may start the course straight away and grab the opportunity to master the knowledge from marketing. This is a 2-year program with a combination of 50% continuous assessment and another 50% of the final examination. At the same time, we will provide LCCI program free for you. So, our marketing students will be able to gain a basic accounting knowledge and become multi-skilled yet competent in the market. Besides, if you wish to enroll in a local university or an overseas university, no worries at all. You can still enroll any of it by continuing to study 2 years degree in any of the university. You will earn a degree in marketing. Our Pintar College is recognized by many professional bodies, such as MQA, HRDF, listed as LCCI Top Performing Approved Center, ACC Gold Approved Learning Partner, as well as CIMA University Partner. This is our experienced lecturer team. Pintar College President-Founder, our respected Dr. Jimmy Lim. He has owns lots of awards. As you can see over here, he has earned Persian LCCI Fellowship Award and listed as Successful People in Malaysia. Other than that, he also owns National Outstanding Educator Award and published his own SPM accounting books. Dr. Jimmy Lim's life quote is, "Success doesn't come from dreaming, it comes from hard work." Ever since the pandemic started, Pintar College has switched physical class to online classes. Therefore, we had good experience in conducting online class. which in very short period of time, it has more than 1,000 online classes has been done. Students or family that might have financial issue due to COVID-19, don't worry. Pintar College provide variety of financial assistance, such as PTPTN, scholarship, HRDF, KWSP withdrawal, and education loan without interest. Therefore, during COVID-19 pandemic, no students should be left behind. Why Pintar College? Because it's affordable and convenient. Full-time and evening classes is available here. You can start our diploma course from as low as 340 ringgit Malaysia per month only. This is the scholarship table you may refer to. Here are the way we conduct classes, either through physical before COVID-19 or through online live classes at the moment. These are teaching and learning facilities in Pintar College. To enhance study environment, Pintar College provide machines and equipment so our students can better enjoy during class. A piece of good news to share with you. We currently have 3 campuses. Our HQ is at Kepong and another 2 branches located at KL City Centre and Rawak. What are you waiting for? Join us now. Should you have any inquiries, do not hesitate to contact us at any time. All of you are invited and welcome to visit our campus after the pandemic is stable. See you then. Stay safe.
My name is Shetsin. I am Pintar College DIM Mate winning student. As a student, I have been studying for more than 2 years, and I understand all the knowledge taught by the teachers. All the teachers are patiently taught me the problems encountered in the schoolwork. I am very grateful for the careful guidance of every teacher of the Pintar College, and I hope that everyone healthy and stay safe at home. So thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, I'm currently studying Diploma in Accounting. I'm so happy and lucky to join the Pintar College because the teacher is very good in teaching. When I have some questions, I ask them. They will reply me as fast as possible in WhatsApp. For the staff, they are gentle and quick to solve the problem of the students.
Hi! Are you planning to continue your studies and don't know where to study? Here, Pintar College are offering Diploma in Early Childhood Education. Diploma in Early Childhood Education is a comprehensive approach to program and policy for children from birth to 7 years of age. Our education pathway. After SPM, you can continue your diploma with us in 2 years to 2.5 years, 2 years study plus 6 months practicum, with only 3 credit in any subject and Bahasa Melayu and Sejarah pass. After diploma, you can continue degree 3 to 4 years and master 2 years. After your study, we are guaranteed with your employment. Subjects that we will learn in early childhood. Curriculum planning and development, music and creative movement in early childhood education, guiding young children in early childhood education, numeracy in early childhood education, early science and technology, social and emotional development in early childhood education, language and literacy, children with special needs, play and exploration in early childhood education, administration and management of early childhood center, assessment and evaluation in early childhood. Career opportunities, kindergarten teacher, preschool teacher, private or international school teacher. Why Diploma in Childhood Education? In Diploma in Early Childhood Education, you can gain knowledge of development milestones, understand the early learning process, learn relationship, building skill, provide a hands-on learning experience, advocate for early childhood education resource and initiative. And also get to learn all about how children develop and how to encourage their growth at every stage. Job placement is available upon completion of your diploma in early childhood education. Our education groups, preschools welcome you. Pintar College is recognized by many professional bodies. You should choose us. Number 1 is MQA, number 2 HRDF, number 3 LCCI Top Performing Approved Center, number 4 ACC Gold Approved Learning Partner, and the last SAIMA University Partner. This is our experienced lecturer team. President Founder Dr. Jimmy Lim. He has won a lot of awards, which is Personal LCCI Fellowship Award, Successful People in Malaysia, National Outstanding Educator Award, and publication of SPM accounting books. We have experience in conducting online classes, above 1,000 online classes. You want to further studies and having financial issues? Your Pintar College will help you with PTPTN, scholarship, HRDF, study loan, and KWSP withdrawal. Why study at Pintar College? We are offering affordable and convenient price. You can start our diploma course from as low as 270 per month only. Full-time and evening classes available. Scholarship. If you get 9 A's above, the scholarship amount will be 12,000. 8 A's 9,600. For 7 A's 7,200. For 6 A's 5,400. And 5 A's is 3,600. Teaching and learning. This is a sample of our lecture and tutorial how will be. Teaching and learning facilities. We are having presentation, self-learning, professional training, mentor-mentee, and e-learning section. This is equipment that will be used for teaching. Visualizer, projector, and portable speaker. This is our campus. We are having 3 campuses, which is in Kepong, Kuala Lumpur, and Lawang. What are you waiting for? Join us now. Contact Pintar College at 016-203-5902 to get more information. Stay safe.
Hi, I'm Alpha Hao. I am one of the advanced diploma students from Pintar College. I chose Pintar College because of their excellent accounting courses, which will provide me 6 exemption papers for ACCA, and their professional lecturer team also. Even though we are having a pandemic now and need to study online, the classes that teach online are very interesting, and the way they teach me are easy for me to understand also. Not to mention, I am one of the scholarship holder in Pintar College. What are you waiting for? Join us, Pintar College now.
Hi everyone, my name is Wai Ting. I've been joined Pintar College since 2018, and my first intake in Pintar College is the LCCI part-time course. It takes roughly 1.5 years to finish, and currently I have taken my further study in DIA, Diploma in Accounting part-time course, since year 2020. I'm choose Pintar College because it have convenienced me to take care of my career and the study. Because it have additional choice of part-time, it allowed me to working in the daytime and the nighttime I'm using for the study purpose. And the Pintar College lecturer always very friendly and patient, coaching on us on the studying. So that's why this is the reason I keep continuing to support Pintar and choose Pintar as my journey to do my higher level. So currently, I hope that everyone is take care.
Welcome to Pintar College. Accounting is crucially important as any of the elements in a business. As Pintar College has been an expert in running accounting courses, come let us have a glance at the courses available at our college. In this Diploma in Accounting, you will learn lots of knowledge, including financial accounting, business management, marketing, business law, audit and assurance, taxation, economy, and many more. If you are a SPM graduate, you just need to pass your SPM, including English, with 3 credits in any subject. Then you may start the course straight away and grab the opportunity to master the knowledge for accounting. This is a 2-year program with a combination of 50% continuous assessment and another 50% of the final examination. At the same time, we will provide LCCI program free for you. So, our accounting students will be able to gain a basic accounting knowledge and become multi-skilled yet competent in the market. Besides, if you wish to enroll in a local or overseas university, no worries at all. You can still enroll any of it by continuing to study 2 years degree in any of the university, and you will earn a degree in accounting. Our Pintar College is recognized by many professional bodies, such as MQA, HRDF, listed as LCCI Top Performing Approved Center, ACCI Gold Approved Learning Partner, as well as CIMA University Partner. This is our experienced lecturer team. Pintar College President Founder, our respected Dr. Jimmy Lim. He has earned lots of awards, as you can see over here. He has earned Persian LCCI Fellowship Award and listed as Successful People in Malaysia. Other than that, he also owns National Outstanding Educator Award and published his own SPM accounting books. Dr. Jimmy Lim's life quote is, "Success doesn't come from dreaming, it comes from hard work." Ever since the pandemic started, Pintar College has switched physical class to online class. Therefore, we had good experience in conducting online classes, which in very short period of time, it has more than 1,000 online classes has been done. Students or family that might have financial issue due to COVID-19, don't worry. Pintar College provide variety of financial assistance such as PTPTN, scholarship, HRDF, KWSP withdrawal, and education loan without interest. Therefore, during COVID-19 pandemic, no student should be left behind. Why Pintar College? Because it is affordable and convenient. Full-time and evening classes is available here. You can start our diploma course from as low as 340 ringgit Malaysia per month only. This is the scholarship table you may refer to. Here are the way we conduct classes, either through physical before COVID-19 or through online live classes at the moment. These are teaching and learning facilities provided by Pintar. To enhance study environment, Pintar College provide machines and equipments so our students can better enjoy during class. A piece of good news to share with you. We currently have 3 campuses. Our HQ is at Kepong, and another 2 branches located at KL City Centre and Rawak. What are you waiting for? Join us now. Should you have any inquiries, do not hesitate to contact us at any time. All of you are invited and welcome to visit our campus after the pandemic is stable. See you then. Stay safe.
Currently, I'm studying Diploma in Accounting at Pintar College, and I'm here to say that I'm very lucky that I have already joined because all the lecturers at Pintar College are very good and also will make sure their students understand all the topics, and also they will using different kind of languages to make sure their students understand all the topics. For example, English, Malay, and Mandarin. And also for the notes that given are very good enough for us to refer, and also the staff at Pintar College are very good and also polite to us.
My name is Tanisha Medi and I'm first year accounting student from Pintar College, Rawak. Pintar College is a good choice because the courses at Pintar College is much shorter compared to other colleges, which makes us to graduate in a year. And all the lecturers at Pintar College are very friendly. Whenever we have a doubt in assignments or exam, we can contact them directly and can expect the answer immediately. And especially Dr. Jimmy. We can't forget him. Dr. Jimmy is a very, very friendly guy. I met him once at Education Fair and he was a fun person to talk with.
Hello, good afternoon. Can you hear my voice? All right.
Yes.
Yes, huh? Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sherry from Pintar College, the MC for seminar today. So today, our topic is Cost and Management Accounting by our respected Dr. Jimmy. So before we start, let me give a short introduction of our speaker today. So Dr. Jimmy Lim is the president founder of Pintar Education Group, and he is very famous in accounting field. Dr. Jimmy Lim is also represent YDP of SMK Manjalara, gotten Persian LCCI Fellow Award, and also as a National Outstanding Educator in 2019. Besides, Doctor is also strategic partner for PPD, such as PPD Sentu, Gombak, Keramat, Bangsa and Pudu, and also Cebu, Sarawak. Doctor is also listed as the Successful People in Malaysia by British Publishing House. This is the certificate gotten by him. And during this pandemic, Doctor has been conducted a lot of free online accounting seminar and gotten this award of most number of free online accounting seminar conducted in a year by an individual in this year. Dr. Jimmy Lim also published his own accounting books, and guess what? There's been 7,000 books being sold within a month. So, and he gotten this award of most number of SPM Principles of Accounting exercise books sold in a month in 2021. This is the fastest time to sell his books. These are the editions from Dr. Jimmy for Prinsip Perakaunan, especially for Tingkatan 4 and Tingkatan 5. And second edition is published by this year. Okay, also for Form 4 and Form 5. The latest book is Latihan Pengukuhan. This is a little bit different. It's combined of topics of Form 4 and Form 5 together. All right. Dr. Jimmy Lim is appointed as guest speaker for SPM Prinsip Perakaunan. All of our books are actually available in Shopee now. So if you are interested, you can order through Shopee. Okay. These are the pictures before pandemic. Doctor has conducted lots of accounting skills sharing session with not only students but also teachers from different districts and different schools. Last but not least, Doctor is also invited by ACCA to give virtual workshop for Prinsip Perakaunan. So we are very honored to be invited by ACCA and collaborate with them. And today, Dr. Jimmy will share his expert opinion on cost and management accounting. With that, I ask you to give your full attention to Doctor and help me to welcome him to start the seminar. Thank you very much for today. And let's welcome Dr. Jimmy to start the seminar. Yes, welcome Dr. Jimmy Lim. And welcome all of you to be here today. I hope you all will get a lot of benefits and know a lot of points and understand more on cost and management. Thank you. Hold on, let me see if Doctor is on the line. 1 second. Are you all ready for the seminar? A lot of you from different state, I think. Anyone that already joined Dr. seminar before this? Oh, from KL, Catherine. Hi, Catherine. A lot of people is still coming in. Oh, from coaching also. Okay, very good, very good. Nice to meet you, Emily. We also conduct a lot of seminars. Sometimes we conduct a seminar for Sarawak also, Sabah and Sarawak. Yes. Nice to have you all here. Oh, from Kelantan, a lot of area, a lot of states, huh? Malacca also. This time. Welcome. Today, seminar will be around 3 hours, but in between, we will have a short break, okay? So don't worry. Are you all taking accounting course? That's why you all are into this seminar today? Are you still in business programs for students? Actually, both. Students is also it's all right for students to join to understand more. Afi Minat account. Yeah, today will be a very brief. It's a simple understanding of cost and management. Yes, Wendy. Hi, Doctor. Yeah, Doctor is already in. Okay, let's start the seminar. I pass to Doctor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, before I start, so I'm Jimmy. I'm the speaker today. Can I check with you all guys? Did you attend my seminar before? If you attend before, please type Y. Y for yes, N for no. Milsa C1, yes, Y, and okay. So remember the keywords. Y for yes, N for no's. So today is I mean, all the while I use this Y and N represented yes or no. Okay, let's try it. Whether you know how to play the word of Y or N before we really start. Okay, first thing. Today is Saturday. Y or N? Y or N? Yeah. Okay. Second question. What should I ask? Today is a raining day. Y or N? This question quite complicated because some places they have a raining, some places they don't have rain, right? Malacca. Okay, so one more question, very simple question and important. Is it Jimmy handsome? Y or N? Thank you very much. Those people who stage N already disappear from the world. Okay. So actually, I have many years of teaching experience, and I'm the president founder of Pintar College. I think just now Sherry did mention to you all. Okay, I think today is not many participants. We have 40 over participants, and I think if let's say the participant is not too many, significant, you all can switch on your voice. Speaker to talk with me. This is a microphone. Can you see? On. When you want to talk to me, you can switch on. Okay, but all the while, if you don't, if you better mute it for the whole section, because it will interrupt the other participant, because maybe you are at home, you see, maybe the dog is biting or whatever. This is the camera. Okay, so you can turn on your camera, or you can turn on your microphone, talk to me if you want to do so. Okay, you want to try? Someone want to talk to me? Hello? Anyone want to talk to me? Say hi to me.
Hello. Hello, Dr. Jimmy. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
How are you? Fine, thank you.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So then you can mute back your what they call microphone. Okay. Okay. So today we will do something quite fresh for your guys if you don't have the accounting basics, or you're currently Form 5 student, or you're not doing any cost and management accounting before. So before I can I ask you a question? That if you are a student, you put a S. You are working adult, you put a W. Can or not? S or W? Student, working adult. Any others? Feedback, please. Okay. Got some student, got some working adult. Okay. So I don't know, student means you are studying what, or fresh grade looking for a job. Okay. Okay, good. Many of you are working adult. If you are current Pintar student, you put Y. If you are not current Pintar student, you put N. Okay. This one today, the attendee all quite fresh to us. Okay. So today I just now I read a question also. Some of my friends asked about what is it today's seminar will help your workplace, working environment? I will say yes, part-time student. Okay, okay, good. But today I will give you an introduction. What is costing, and what is management accounting, and what is financial accounting? Mostly, do you have any accounting basic? If you have accounting basic, you put Y. If you don't have, you put N, please. Y or N? Y, N. If you don't have accounting basic, means maybe you are first time with me. Actually, I do a lot of free seminar to public, to student. SPM before take accounts means you know some of the accounting is good enough. Okay. So can we start now? Y or N? Are you ready? Okay, good. So y'all can read me clear. Can see me clear, right? I will do few type of presentation. Okay. Can you clear now? Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. So first of all, what is accounting? They have a lot of accounting. You know, many of my friends they don't know what it means by accounting. They only think debit credit is accounting, correct? But actually, the scope of accounting is quite big. It's very big area. We have a lot of accounting need to study. Basically, when we talk about accounting today, I use English. We have maybe starting point. We have bookkeeping. bookkeeping is from 4 from 5 syllabus. So you call principal accountant. This is a bookkeeping. And then we have financial accounting. Financial accounting. Actually, if you talk about bookkeeping, it just belongs to accounting. Means you want to study accounting, you must know what is bookkeeping. So when you from 4 from 5, you call it bookkeeping. When you do it from 6, they will call accountant. And this is accounting. And accounting also we differentiate to management, accounting. And we also study cost accounting. Okay, if you talk about cost and accounting, difference of cost accounting and financial accounting, cost accounting is belong to management accounting. Are you clear about this? Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
What is accounting? Accounting is a kind of a big area. Okay? So what is the purpose of studying financial accounting? If you talk about financial accounting, means accounting. Okay. So actually in LCCI, let us talk about some of the accounting work. When we talk about LCCI, you need to study 3 subjects: financial accounting, management accounting, they call cost and management accounting, and statistics and one business calculation, cover 4 subjects. Okay, when you're going for higher pursuing, if let's say you go for ACC is more emphasized in financial accounting. If you talk about CIMA, they will emphasize more in management accounting. Frankly speaking, both accounting are quite different. What is meant by quite different? This one, financial accounting, our purpose more in recording the transaction. We do presentation of financial report. Financial report means dagangan lah, untung rugi lah. Okay, presentation of financial report. And then we go to analyze the report. So we use what? Ratio. We use ratio. It means this is more in things already happened. We emphasize the transaction already happened. If what is in future, we won't put in the books. We won't record in the books. We are more emphasized on past thing already happened. Okay? Can you understand here now? Why or N? Because I need to do some introduction. What is the difference? What is the difference of financial accounting and management and cost accounting in Malaysia? Because in Malaysia, especially in Malaysia, many of the students, many of the company, they are very emphasized of financial accounting. They always think accounting is a very boring job. Accounting is very boring, people. They only know how to do audit, they only know how to do accounts, then they need to submit the tax, yeah. This kind of things. This is all quite, you will put in the financial accounting. But Management and cost accounting move emphasis on future transaction. Future. This one is more concerned about future. It means we are more in decision making. This is a laptop who needed to do decision making. Future transaction. This one already happened. This one is all in future. Mostly 90% we focus on future thing, not happen yet. Because we are mostly in decision making. We are more into budget. Budget means satu anggaran untuk masa depan. Decision making. Budget. And we are more in concerning of cost controlling. If you talk about financial accounting, they are more quantitative. Quantitative means they are more emphasized on money. But cost and management accounting emphasize on two pictures. Quantitative and non-quantitative. This is all money. This is non-monetary. Non-monetary issue. We emphasize about human resource. We emphasize about CSR. We emphasize about data collection. This one, we only control the money. But this one, control money, we also control other things. So this is a very big difference between financial accounting and management accounting. If you ask me, Jimmy, I know you are doing very good in accounting. Actually, what kind of accounting you are preferring? I will tell you. I am loving a lot of. I love management accounting a lot compared to financial accounting. But very sad to say, in Malaysia, many of the students they go for ACC. Yeah, that's right. Because the market needs. So they don't. Even though when we offer LCCI, because LCCI it needs at least compulsory 3 subjects. 3 subjects normally we offer accounting, we offer statistics, we offer ABC, and what's business calculation. 3 subjects put in, you call diploma already. Management accounting always become an optional subject. But normally I will try my best to ask all the students take management accounting as an extra subject. Because when you go to ACC, management accounting becomes very important also. Because nowadays, people are always talking about accountant will be replaced. Accountant will be replaced by AI. Accounting will be replaced by robot. Am I right? Do you read about this, what they call article? Why or N? Did someone talk to you? AI will replace accountant. Why or N? No one answer. Oh, any happen? That's what you need a lot. Why or N? Can you hear me? Are you still there? Why or N? No one answer me. Any happen? Check for me. Because no one answer me now. Hello? Hello, are you with me? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
sir. Okay, good. Do you hear about some of the articles saying accounting will be replaced by AI? Why or N? No one type. Huh? Why or N? No. Never read the statement. us to reduce the human cost, as to reduce human cost. Or if you never heard about this, but this is a bullshit lah for me. It won't happen. It won't happen because AI robot cannot think. They cannot make decision. They cannot make budget. They cannot do cost controlling. This is only human brain to do it. In fact, only account clerk will be replaced. Actually, already replaced. I use the word already replaced. It is not a current things happen. We all know now we doing accounts. We need not to buy Buku Tunai, Journal, need not everything need not. Even though invoice, very easy to create. We got SQL, we got UBS, we got MYOB, we got a lot of accounting software to do accounts. But until today, I don't see any accounting software. We teach you how you do the decision for making. You do a decision for you. Do you ever have a software to tell you to make decision? No. Only human being can do decision making. Only human being can do the analysis. Yes. So that's why those articles who say accountant will be replaced, they use a long sentences. They will say account clerk will be replaced. You get what I mean? Why or N? Why or N? And due to the change in IT environment, management accounting will become more important in future. Today's, I share this basic knowledge to you all, and you will know it can be help you in doing your. That's the management accounting related to CIMA. Yes, but ACCA also need to study management accounting. Needed. LCCI also needed to study management accounting. But the common student, I use the word common student, they will emphasize on financial accounting. They will ignore the importance of management accounting, which is quite rugi. It's quite rugi. Like, for an example, when you go Form 6, if you go to Form 6, you study Form 6. Mata pelajaran perakaunan, they have two paper. Paper 1 is financial accounting, called accountant keuangan. And they have paper 2. Paper 2 is called cost and management accounting, yaitu perakaunan, pengekosan dan pengurusan. Why? But what I emphasize today is a lot of students, they don't even realize the importance of management accounting. Okay? So, let's see what is meant by, go in more detailing, what's meant by decision making. What's meant by, what they call decision making, budget, or cost controlling. Can we start now? Now you understand now why or N? Why or N? Okay. Cost and management accounting. Okay, if I want to put a full page, how I put a full page now? Sorry, I'm not familiar with it. Wait.
After the line.
Okay. Cost and management accounting. So now we talk about financial accounting, more focused on data collecting and analysis of report. It's more on history cost, macam belajar sejarah. Why? But cost and management accounting more focus on future planning. Planning means budget. Planning means budget. Decision making, or what some in the costing world, we also call decision making as a relevant costing. Okay. What is meant by budget? Budget is provide the means of controlling of income and expenses for expenses. It gives a plan for spending. Means, for an example, if someone asks us to do advertising, now you know lah, economy so bad, correct? Definitely we say we don't want. You see, the businessmen always use this kind of word. Sorry, we don't have the budget. We don't use the word, kita tak ada wang. No. So word. And not nice, the wording. We say we don't have the budget. Am I right? Do you listen before? Do you hear before? We don't have budget. Budget means some of spending, you know. We must know every month. Every month we must do a budget. Do a budget means we have to know our revenue and how we spend the money in order we don't have a shortfall of cash or big fall of cash. I think this is quite mostly some of the account clerk, account assistant, they're also doing budget. It's quite similar, something like accounting, but it's actually come from cost and management accounting. And then it helps the management to understand, coordinate various function activities. Budget plays an important role to the effective or utilization or available in order to achieve over the objective of the organization. Let me show you what happened to this. Budgetary control, what we call as a budgetary control system. Actually, budget can be said as planning, can be defined as a planning also. Normally, a company, they will start a sales budget. Sales budget normally is targeted by the boss. Let's say the boss say, I want to get 3 million of sales. Then if one product, you sell 1,000, 3 million, you have to sell 30,000 units, correct? Then you must do a production budget. Production budget. Sales budget normally came from who? Boss, or we say board. The board of company will order the marketing manager to in charge of sales budget. Then they will start to do what? They will start to arrange the salesman to achieve, salesperson to achieve the aims. Can you understand? If let's say I want our budgeted sales is 20,000 units. 20,000 unit car. So you have 20 salesmen. So one salesman have to sell 1,000 units. Then this is a KPI. What's KPI? Key Performance Indicator. The salesman have to sell at least 1,000 units. If you cannot sell 1,000 units, I will fire you. This is called sales budget. Why? This is a very good thing to learn. You know how to run a company. We coordinated all the stuff to achieve it. Can you type Y or M to me? Because this class is no response at all. Are you still with me? Y or M? Hello? Okay. You should all keep on type Y or M to me to show me you are with me. Otherwise, I feel you might not understand. Then the production budget, this is you come to the production manager. Production manager started to do production Stages. And because based on the sales trend, any product also have sales trend. What is mean by sales trend? You can not say one salesman sell 1,000 units. You can tell them every month sell 1,000 units. Sometimes it's not fair. Because you see why? Every product also got sales trend. Let's not talk about car. Let's talk about car. Car normally they have a very good sales during month of January, February. Especially January. They have a lot of good sales on January because first year, the yearly problem. Let's say I buy a car in December 2020. Okay? So the car is category 2020. So when it comes to January, already 1 year. They say 1 year car. Not nice, no? No value, no? If you buy on January of 2020, so you still have 1 year period to say this is still a new car within a car. So that's why normally January and February, they have a big sales, especially Chinese New Year on February. Those Chinese, they like to buy a new car to celebrate their what they call their New Year, you know. And then, you know, even though before Raya, a lot of sales. Before Deepavali, a lot of sales. Because, you know, this is called a sales trend. If you sell crude, you know lah. Which one most higher selling for more easy to sell, a lot of promotion. Yeah, and why? Christmas, New Year, Chinese New Year, they all going to buy these kind of things. So they must have sales trends. So production manager will do a production stages and ask, and based on sales trend and arrange like January, I want to production unit, January, February, March, 1 year, I want to produce 20,000 units, let's say. Why or N? Why or N? Why or N? Hello? Describe what happened today. My computer no problem. I should see more Y or N from your, because I want to know whether you understand or not. Okay? Okay, after this production budget, the production budget, you start to arrange the 4 things normally. Talk about production factor. Talk about production. Normally, we have 4 factors. 4 factors. We always concern 4 things. Normally, we call it 4 M's. What is M's? Material, manpower, machinery, and money. Why and when you want to do production, our resources, or sometimes we call resources, is always refer to these 4 things. We always refer 4 M's is very important to plan our activities. So this production manager will start coordinate at least 3 managers. These 3 managers, they will start to do material purchase. Sorry, I shouldn't write short form. Material purchase budget means you have to start to purchase the material in order the production activity not affected due to shortage of material. Why or N? Why or N? And then they will start to do labor hours budget. In order we have labor, there, manpower. Then they will start to do machine hours budget. Okay, this is all things. So this material purchase budget, we will go to talk about to our purchase manager when to buy the material. So here got material budget. So this one is normally HR, human resource manager, in order to make sure our labor are enough for production. And then this is a maintenance manager, in order to make sure the machine enough to operate. Means what? You need to do a maintenance schedules. When to do maintenance? Check about machine enough or not enough. Normally, when they talk about sales budget, marketing manager will always asking for what? Advertising. So advertising, they need money. Correct? Marketing activities. Like machine enough or not? If not, buy. So this is called what? Decision making already. Buy, they need money. Labor enough or not? Employed or not employed? Talk about money already. And then material price increase or what? This is all about money. So all the money you're going to do a what? Cash budget. This cash budget will do by who? Financial and management, financial accountant and management accountant sit together. But many of companies, they are only playing one role. The financial accountant also a management accountant. But we talk about a good factory, they should so many cars, but cannot sell. Cash flow problem. Not enough money to pay the supplier. And you have to store all the car in its storage cost. And when you store the car might have problem. So the goods might be damaged or outdated, then incur another problem. This all things might be happen. And same thing. Production manager have asked purchasing manager to buy the goods, for material to buy it. Otherwise, no enough material to buy. Too many material expired, material outdated, new material come in, you know. So every manager have to play their role. Every manager have their KPI. What is KPI? Key performance indicator. It means check whether the manager performance. Let's say I tell the sales manager, you must get 20,000 unit car sell for this year. You cannot sell 20,000 units, I kill you. You cannot produce for him, I kill you. You cannot buy material for them to produce, I kill you. Not enough labor, I kill you. Machine problem, I kill you. If everyone already know their KPI, if everyone knows their KPI. So surely the company, everyone knows their rules. Everyone knows their target. Everyone knows how to work. Definitely, the objective of the company can be achieved. This is called cost and management accounting. All talk about future, all talk about coordination. Coordination is I give you job, you coordinate with others, manager, all work together, and achieve the objective, the mission of the company. Can you understand? Why, Ryan? Why, Ryan? Hello. Do you think this is a very nice thing to learn? Are you agree with me? Very nice to learn.
Agree.
Alright. But very sad to say, a lot of students, they don't like cost and management accounting. They don't like. You know why? Especially in the market. I know why. Because shortage of good lecturer. Because shortage of good lecturer. Many lecturers don't know how to teach. Very difficult to teach. But frankly speaking, when I first stepped to do the lecturing for management accounting, I think a lot how to teach because it's not easy to teach. Not easy to teach. It involves a lot of theory. You should know the whole picture. Okay? Can I continue? Are you happy with the explanation now? Can I? At least you know what is the things. So we come back here. Just now we talk about budget. Everything starts with a budget. And student, all my friends here, not student, all my bro and sis, you should know. The key thing for the whole budget we do must start with sales budget. If sales budget got problem, everyone perform well, also you. So that's why we need to study statistics. We need to study business statistics. Business statistics, we have a lot of topics to study. One of the topics is study the sales trend. Sales trend. We use the normal distribution. We use the what they call sales trend, time series. A lot of this kind of mathematics to forecast the sales. That's why when you go for LCCI, you need to study statistics. You use a mathematic, very high efficiency mathematic format to forecast the sales. This is the thing. I will let you know around 2:30 like that. Okay. So this is the thing. So another things come up. See, budget, coordination, cost control. What is meant by cost control? Let's say now our budget sales. We say budget sales is 2 million for this year. When actual sales come out 1.8 million. So we get a variance. We call a variance 200,000. We saw this is an adverse. Adverse means not good. Not good, then we cover the action. We don't want it to happen again. Means this is a target. When the actual result come out, we got a variance. We have every variance to check every department. This is what we have: material purchase budget, material cost budget, material usage budget. This is what we have: labor cost budget, labor rate variance, labor efficiency variance, labor either time variance. This one got capacity variance. So many variants you need to study. This is all about people who said formula. Quite difficult to study one. But I already create a new things which need not to half. I love to teach costing. I love to teach costing actually. I love to teach cost and management accounting. But due to the market needs, they all want me to do financial accounting. And Form 4, Form 5 also have no cost accounting. No choice. And mostly when I appear in the media, people will say, oh, Dr. Jimmy, accounting expert, but they ignore management accounting. Me, myself, running a business. In order not messy, I always have plan one, plan A, plan B to do my business action. This is two. So I think I give you a clear picture about what is cost and management accounting. Am I right? Can you understand now? Can you understand now? Hello, YOM.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My purpose today is to show you what is cost and management accounting. And I hope you all, if you are really interested, go to study this thing. Very, very funny. Not very funny, very very useful. You see? And nowadays we do a lot of don't worry, the book is written by me one. I arrange one. So you see, budget is aims of controlling of income and expenses, giving the planning of the spending. A budget can help to determine your long-term goal and put the part of working to work towards whether means coordinate all the things, achieve the aims. You help the management to understand and coordinate various function activity. This means what? Every manager, marketing manager, production manager, they all have their KPI, they know what they should do. The HR manager know what is their role. Then they coordinate, discuss, you can achieve a lot, So this is a very good company. Everyone knows what to do. This is true, I still remember when I go to one company, I work as a marketing people. When I start in the company, first day they ask me, you read the report, sales report. I read until 1 week. Then I said, should I go out? Because marketing people should go out to get business. They say, up to you, you want to go out. If you don't want, you can stay here. I said, oh yeah. And then I said, what is my sales budget? What is my sales target? Once you can get sales, you get sales. If you cannot get sales, no matter. Just go to work. Not so much. Wow. So I become very lazy, For the first month working there, I look like a honeymoon month. Very happy, Wake up late, come back home earlier, no target. After 1 month, I become what, zombie. I don't know what I should do. I wake up, I feel very boring. Because I'm not that kind of people. Same thing, ma. If let's say you're SPM, the mother say you pass, you feel. You say you want to go to tuition, you want, you go, you don't want. They won't mind. Let's say today I'm lazy, I don't go to school. I don't go. Keep sleeping there. But begin. Firstly, you will be very happy, if your mom treat you like that. Surely you're happy, Then day to day you feel you're useless. That's why, we must have a target. Budget plays an important role in the efficiency utilization of available resources. Available resources means the 4M. You must very clever to use the 4M to achieve the target of the business. So started from this budget, I already explained. So what's decision making? So let's say now, if you look at these things, talk about job PL 2593. The sales is 50,000. Material and labor is 15,000 and 20,000. And you have a fixed cost 20,000. You got net loss 5,000. Should the job PL 2593 to be accepted? Y or N? If you want to accept the job, you put Y. If you don't want to accept the job, you put N. Y or N? Hello? Y or N? Are you still with me? You want to accept the job? Hello? Today's class looks like very... Yeah, give me some response. You want to accept the job? If you are the manager, you will accept the job, is it? Why you don't want to accept the job? Why you don't want to accept the job? Because of what? Net loss, correct. Net loss is correct. The answer is, I don't know. I need to check. But from here, I will say, I will accept the job. I will accept the job. I will accept the job. Why? I write here first, then I show you. Because I can't see the figure later on. Just give me a few minutes. I give you the answer. So now I'm doing the answer. I tell you why I want to accept the job. Okay. So, you see, I use sales minus material and labor because this is called relevant cost. So, I contribution I got 15,000. So, I say the job should be accepted because contribution is positive. Why? Why I don't use the fixed cost? So they have a fixed cost, right? The fixed cost is how much? 20,000. It's not relevant cost. Why I say fixed cost is always net, not relevant. Fixed cost is normally referred to what? Rental. Rental. Fixed salary. Fixed salary. This labor is based on job one. Based on job. It means for job, you pay. No job, no pay. Same one, material also. Accept the job, pay. Not accept the job, no pay. Fixed cost like rental, fixed salary. Accept the job, pay. Not accept the job, pay also. That's why it's not relevant. Not relevant. Not relevant means not important. Either you accept or not accept the job, you also have to pay. So that's why if I don't accept the job, Yeah, I got money to pay the 20,000. Let's say 15,000. This 20,000 also need to pay what? Even though the job is not accepted. You understand right? Now? Understand now? Why then? So sometimes, just for example, just for the number. Now I have a class of diploma in accounting. Inside the class, I charge all the students, just for an example, I charge them 800 per month. 800 per month. So my classroom have a space about 50 seats. My space has about 50 seats. 50 seats. So now I only have 20 students. I still have 30 empty seats. I need to pay the lecturer money every month pay. I have to pay the rental. Now, and then you see, I think I should give you some illustration like more easy to understand. Okay, let's say current situation. I have sales 20 students, 16,000. Okay, let's cost. Okay, I have a lecturer fees. One student I pay 20,000 times 800. 20 students. So I pay them 300. So I have to pay 6,000. Then I have paid rental. Let's say 4,000. So I have a profit 6,000. Am I right? Yes. Am I right? Yes. Am I right? So you see, if let's say cost per student, now it's 800, no? 300, no? So rental, let's say 4,000 divided by 20, around 200. So my per student will be around, calculation per student, 300. Am I right? Am I right? Now, I have a capacity. Capacity means my classroom size, classroom occupation. Can occupy lah. Classroom can occupy 50 students. Now, a group of students, let's say 20 students, want to join the class. By offering $450 per student. Should I accept? Y'all can read out. Can you tell me why? You will accept or not? Will you accept we talk about money, let's talk other stuff. Accept or not accept? Will you accept the special offer from a group of students only offer you 450 ringgit per month. Hello? Y for accept, M for not accept. Y or M? Hello? Are you still with me? Very difficult to understand. Or you don't want to give me answer? Accept. Accept or not accept?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, accept.
Yeah? Accept, huh?
Accept.
M-
Accept.
Accept, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why accept? This sales 450. Less relevant cost. Lecturer fees labor is relevant 300. I still have contribution 150. Accept. This is called relevant cost. But definitely, we have to check about our qualitative factor. Future problem. The existing student will complain. Market image. See? So normally I will accept only the special case, maybe they are B40 student. Means I will tell people, this I do for CSR. I help people. Actually, I help people. I give them a very special discount. But I still got some profit. You get what I mean? But actually, if let's say every student pay me only 450, I actually can't cover my 500 costs. But for the special order, we have to see what is the qualitative factor. This is quantitative factor, which I talk about money. Quantitative factors. It's all about money. This is a non-money factor. Why or M? Why or M? Why or M? See, actually, cost and management accounting looks like a lot of theory things. Yeah, it's true. And this is a limited factor. Talk about ranking, I don't want to talk here. So cost control, budgeted sales, actual sales, not good. Take the cover action. Selling price setting, later I will teach on this part. Okay, this one finish. Okay, I think I need to have a rest for a while after 1 hour lecturing. But before I'm going to rest, few things I need to tell you all. Later on, they will ask you to fill in what they call Google form. Please fill in the Google form, and this all the notes I will send by the Google form to you all, and I will do a e-cert for you all. E-cert will be provided for you all, so you can key in the information there. That will give you the e-certificate as a memory to attend the class of today's. And also, you can give me some comment, talk about how about my performance today. But before I go rest, I need to take a photo with you all. Can you switch on the camera? Let me see who are you. You just turn in your camera, then I can see who are you. And we take a photo, at least we know each other. W7, hi.
Hi sir, how are you sir?
Yeah, all beautiful.
Hello, sir.
Handsome boy. Please switch on your camera. Are you happy with the class today? Okay, everyone, please switch on your camera. At least I can take a photo together with you all. I just okay, Pori Yuki Yap Celine Hao oh, this one is a Korean. Okay, so can we take it now? Who will do it? Nelson. Okay,
Yeah,
please.
no problem. My side here also, no problem. Yeah, everyone can hear my voice. Yeah, so I'm count on 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, one more. Okay, yeah, show me your love.
We make a small love. We make a small love. You know, last time my staff, you know, very funny. Say, come on, we make love. We make love together. You see, we make a small love.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so my side here will do again. Okay, yeah. So, show me your love. Okay. Yeah, I cannot show the love because I got no hands.
You got no love.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. I love you all. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Please go to fill in the form and let me rest about 15 minutes. Can or not? I'm tired. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See you later.
Okay, sure.
Thank you, Doctor. Yes, thank you, Doctor. Hi all, I'm Sherry again. So for this break time, you all can take a short break while I will give you some of the information for today's seminar. Okay, let me present a bit now. Hold on. So don't leave first because later Doctor will continue the seminar, yeah. So it's about 10 to 15 minutes of a break. So let me just give you some of the information of the e-cert and everything. Okay, 1 second now. Okay. Can see my slides or not on all of your side?
Yeah,
can. Can, okay, good. All right. Okay, so as just now, Dr. Jimmy has said, we will be issue the e-certificate for today's participant who attend the seminar. So this will be how it looks like. Okay, so we will put in your name. Okay, so that's why in the Google form, please remember to fill in your name and your email address and as well as your contact number, because we will send your e-certificate through email. If let's say any issue, we will get to contact you by your contact number. Okay, so this will be the e-cert. Remember to fill in, it's in the chat box, all of you all can see it, right? So just fill in the Google form. Okay, so actually during this pandemic, from time to time, we always provide these free seminars, especially for subjects Prinsip Perakaunan, Perniagaan, and Economy, which is very beneficial for students that is facing SPM. Okay, so these are the videos previously that we have been conducted. All of it, mostly we will upload in the YouTube channel of Pintar College. All right. Okay. Next, I would like to introduce you the books of Dr. Jimmy. Okay. This is for accounting. Okay. Prinsip Perakaunan for Form 4 and Form 5. Okay. This is the new version. This is the second edition in this year. It's available in Shopee now. Okay. This is the latest exercise book, Latihan Pengukuhan. This is a combined version of for topics in Form 4 and Form 5 together. So this is help students to practice more so that they can score well also in their SPM. Okay, next is our Miss Chua book. She also published her SPM Perniagaan. Okay, Miss Chua is our head of executive. She is also appointed as guest speaker for SPM Perniagaan. Okay, I believe some of you also taking a Perniagaan subject. So actually this book is very helpful also. All right. Next would be our Mr. Nelson. Mr. Nelson is the head of academic and also appointed as guest speaker for SPM Economy. He has his own books as well, SPM Economy for tingkatan 4 dan 5. So it's a combined version as well. So all of these books is actually available in Shopee now. If you were to order, for example, if let's say your friends would like to order as well, why not just make it together in one order so you can save up the shipping fee. Okay, so if let's say if you are from schools and anything, if you would like to purchase in a big amount, you can contact us also. We can arrange that to send it to the appointed address or maybe schools. Okay, this is our contact. So any inquiries, any questions you wanted to ask, okay, about courses or anything, you can also contact us with the contacts here. We have Zihui, we have Daisy, and also there's a general line. Okay, anything can always contact us, no worries. Next, I will be introduce some of the courses available from Pintar College. Okay, for now, the coming intake is this month, September. We have a few courses going on. The first would be Diploma in Accounting, okay, and Diploma in Management, also this month. Diploma in Marketing, okay, it's also September intake. Okay, all of our courses actually available to apply for the PT-PTN. As you see, PT-PTN is available. Scholarship is also available. Okay, and besides, we also have Diploma in Early Childhood Education. So this is for maybe who are interested in teaching children and develop these children childhood, okay, to help them to develop. This is also very interesting course. Okay, it's available in Pintar College. Besides, we have Advanced Diploma in Accounting, of course, in September intake, because we are more focused on accounting courses. Okay, so from the courses after you completed, we actually liaise with a lot of professional bodies. Okay, so after you completed our courses, we will give you a lot of these qualifications, such as from Persian LCCI, ACCA, CIMA, LCCI, or even SQL. Okay, you will get up to around 5 to 6 qualifications. Okay, of course, LCCI accounting, we also have, okay, online class, because during pandemic is still not very stable now. So all of our courses will go through online at the moment, okay, until further notice. Besides, our Pintar College is also the top performing center because we have the highest passing rate and awards producer. So we are very honored and very happy, okay, that our students getting very good scores, okay. Such as here, we have, you can see there's name list from our Pintar College. Actually, our students are in the World and Country Awards. So it is very glad to know that our students can score so well. Some of them actually score full marks, okay, for their courses and papers. Okay, and this is an online computerized accounting course, SQL. I believe a lot of you heard about this before. Okay, so SQL is actually very common in the market, and a lot of company uses this SQL as well. So this course is not only for students, and it is also very suitable for adults. Okay, so no doubt about that. This is a very short course. It's only 3 months course, and it's only at 500 ringgit Malaysia. It is very, very cheap. Okay, very short course, easy. And next, of course, we also have ACCA FIA. Previously, it's named as CAT. Okay, this is a foundation in accountancy. It's available here. January and July intake. And last but not least, ACCA, of course, everyone knows about this. Okay, we offer apply knowledge, apply skills, strategic professional. Anything, any inquiries, you can always contact us. Okay. All right, because due to this COVID-19, it started last year in Malaysia in March, correct? So actually after a month of this COVID-19 has spread in Malaysia, we have started conduct online classes since April last year. So just after 1 month of pandemic, we already started online classes. So until now, it's definitely more than 5,000 online classes being conducted. So therefore, we are very experienced in how to do it online. How do we actually, our speakers, our teachers, lecturers, interact with the students, and how to pass the message and the knowledge to the students through online base. Okay, so no worries about that. This is our campuses. Okay, we have 3. Our HQ is at Kepong, and the other 2 branches is at KL City Center and Rawang. So after the pandemic is more stable, okay, we are always welcome all of you to come and visit us, to have a tour at our campus. Okay, you're definitely welcome. Hi.
Sherry.
Yes.
Okay, I'm Chua here, everyone.
Hi, Miss Chua.
Yeah, thank you for joining us today. I
Yes.
think now is the rest time, right?
Yes,
so
correct.
That's why you can show the PowerPoint now, Mike, because
Okay.
I just want to explain to our,
Sure.
students here a little bit,
Sure.
a little bit more maybe about our diploma. Can you scroll
Diploma,
back
yeah,
to the
sure.
diploma? Yeah,
Definitely.
because I think just now Sherry already shared some information with all of you.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, because I think some of our students are asking some question also, like whether I just now I saw someone like asking whether our company got any vacancy. You can contact our staff, and then you can send the CV to our staff, then we will view it and review it. Okay.
Yes.
You can tap our company phone to them, Sherry.
Okay.
So we did have a few diploma in our college, and then all these diploma courses actually we conducted for full-time class, in the morning and also in the evening class. So if the student, if you feel that you want to join the diploma, why you can join the diploma? Because always the diploma class, we have the exemption from ACC, CIMA. Okay, I hope you all know this. And then some more you can get double certification. Okay, so this is very good for you. Some more you can get PTPTN, or you can get the KWSP withdrawal also can. Okay, so this is our diploma in accounting. We got our coming September intake. I think it will be started in the 2nd or 3rd week of September. If you got any friends, juniors or your sister, brother, they want to join also can. If you want to join also can. So other than that, next, then we have our diploma in management, diploma in marketing. Okay, this one maybe if a student asks us, okay, yes, I'm not maybe not too interested in account, but I want to join all this, can. Our diploma, all the diploma, management, accounting, and marketing, we will free the LCCI course for you also. So that's why at the same time, you can take the LCCI exam. You can get the international qualification plus the local qualification. Yeah. So even though you study our diploma in management or marketing, we will free the class for you. You see how whether you want to take the exam or not. This is depends on you, optional one. Understand? So then you still can get at least a basic LCCI certification. This is very good to ensure your career. Okay, if you want to continue in accounting or in management, also can. So we do have diploma in marketing, diploma in early childhood. After deduct all the PTPTN amount, okay, and maybe scholarship, I don't know. So minimum you need to pay maybe it's 200 plus to 300 plus per month. So this is actually very worth. Okay, and now if you ask me for this semester, it will be online class first. Okay, even though government, I know they just announced maybe whether they want to start to run all physical. All the diploma class, it will depends, it depends the situation. But at the same time, we will run dual mode. Dual mode, that means at the same time, online plus physical class. Okay, in example, I'm here, right, in front of the desktop. Okay, but at the same time, if my student, they say, okay, they want to come back for physical, yes, we just conduct a class in the classroom. But for students who cannot come and attend the class, okay, or they prefer online class, you just study at home. We just, conduct the class as usual only. Okay, next, after advanced diploma, we do have our, all this qualification, very good, recognized, and LCCI, ACCA. Okay, if you ask me for our CCI, sure, it will be conducting, in online mode already. Understand, because maybe you say, I feel worried, is it after a few months time, they will change to physical again? This is full online class, don't worry. Because I think LCCI, ACCA is very popular amongst the students now. Okay, because I think they say it's very convenient. Okay, it's very convenient to take the LCCI and ACCA class via online mode. So you can save the transportation time, okay, and cost. Okay, so this one is like per month 300 only. Then we have FIA, ACCA. Yeah, we are the top performing center. We got so many awards. Okay, so we got SQL. All these are online class. Okay, ACCA online class. This is what I can promise to you. If after that you say you want to continue for online class for diploma, yes, you can, because we do have the MQA, approval on all this already. Okay. So don't worry on that. We are very experienced in conducting online class. If you ask me, we will see the situation first, condition, at least 1 more, 2 more months first to ensure everyone really get full vaccination.
More stable.
Yeah, more stable if they ask me, because we do want to just open and then if anything happen.
Yes.
We really concerned, on the health and safety of our staff and also students. Okay, any question you want to ask us? Yeah, this is our YouTube channel. Okay, and anytime you can come and visit us. Yeah, okay, I'm not anytime now, but now you need to make appointment with us. So sorry. Yeah, now you need to make appointment with us first. Okay, then I hope maybe after October, November, everything will be recovered slowly. Yeah, then
that's right.
our YouTube, yes, we got so many followers, subscribers.
Yes.
You can subscribe us.
Yeah, subscribe us today, and a lot of videos will be uploaded over there, so you all can actually review it, replay it, even for your revision or anything. It's good. Okay, if you want to join upcoming event, we will update at our YouTube channel as well. Just press the bell there. You will keep updated. All right.
I think they will get the notification, right?
Yes.
If we got any event.
Yep.
Okay. One more thing is, I think if all the students here, they want to know more about our diploma courses, they can go to our YouTube, right?
Yes.
They can
have
do our video recording.
Yes.
For the
we have an introduction to introduce the courses. So you all can definitely go to our Pintar College YouTube channel to have a look, to understand more. If you have any more questions or inquiries, feel free to contact us. We leave the numbers there already as well. So anything can always contact us. Yeah. Okay, this is our Facebook fan page
and Dr. Jimmy Lim fan page. You
Yes.
can go and like, and then you will feel happy because if we got any notification, any update, you can actually get all this,
Yes.
from our college website.
Yeah, you can also drop us a message at our fan page if you have any inquiries. Okay. This is all the social medias, even Instagram. Sorry, I forgot to mention. We also have Instagram for Pintar College, or as well as Dr. Jimmy Lim. So you can always follow him, add him as friend. He is always very friendly and happy to have you all with him. Okay, and Pintar College as well. Okay, we have YouTube, Facebook, Insta. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope today I will see more of a subscriber, more followers. Okay, we are very happy. Remember to fill in the Google form. Okay, our team have sent out in the chat box again. So the notes will be sent together with your certificate. So fill in your email address correctly, your name and contact number. If you have any comments or feedback, you can also do it in the Google form. Okay, we will review and to improve better, maybe to different topics and everything. Okay. Thank you very much.
I hope students remember to fill in the Google form in the message chat box so that you can get the e-certificate. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Dr. Jimmy. Dr. Jimmy is here already.
Hi, Doctor. Hi.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you all for the time, and let's continue by Dr. Jimmy. Thank you very much.
So I think you all already fill up the Google form, correct? I hope you all already fill in. Okay. Beside that, do you have any question? Let me check. Or someone want to join us? Welcome. And you see, I think if you want to go further study, accounting is one of the good choices, best choices for you to study. No matter you are just fresh grade or you are working adult. Sometimes, some students tell me, they talk to me, they say, I just want to study course and management accounting. I don't want to go for my accounting. I'm already an expert in my accounting. Yes, it can, but sometimes I prefer if you don't have a qualification on LCCI or ACC, you can join the class to get a qualification. Because quite popular for the certificate, you won't be jobless. If you after study the LCCI courses, you are jobless, you tell me, I can get job for you. Sure, you can get job one. And one more thing is, you all can add me as a IG friend. This is my IG, Jimmy119. I hope you all can add me as a friend. Add me as a friend, then go to like my post. You can see I do a lot of activity. This is a class for the Seremban. I do a lot of this kind of online classes, even for Form 4, Form 5, what they call friends or relative. You can ask them to join my class free FOC. Even though I have my own books, I already published 5 books. This is 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All within 2 years. The most popular books in the market now for accounting. Maybe in short future I will publish my English version books. I'm now doing planning to do it, or you want to add me Facebook. If you don't have IG, you can go to Dr. Jimmy page. Dr. Jimmy page to join me, and after you follow me, please go to like my post. I need a lot of likes because I want to be a rich people. Next time I can open a show. Welcome to you all to join me. And this is a Pintar, what they call Pintar. Oh, so many advertising. Like today's talk. So you all can go to the Pintar YouTube to like the YouTube and subscribe it. Then you can get a lot of free seminar. Okay. Complete Google form, all completed and go to follow me. We become a good friends. YON. So far, so good. Can we start again? YON. YON. Follow me back. Green. Okay, try. So now I go to a few questions to tell you. First thing I will tell you, I will show you how to do a quotation. How to do a quotation. Let's say now all the paper, the hard copy, the hard copy will capture and send it to you after you fill in what they call Google form. Okay. So this is an example. We have a direct material 50,000, direct labor 8,000. Someone asked us to quote a quotation. You know what's quotation? Quotation means if someone go to your shop, let's say I'm doing a renovation job. So someone asked me, to renovate their kitchen. Let's say kitchen. I went there, I use my ruler to measure the things, so I know how many of material I need to use, how many chart, how many, what they call, whatever things. This is called direct material. And I will calculate. Am I doing the presentation? Am I doing the presentation?
No, doctor, you are not presenting. Yeah.
I don't do presentation. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Not quotation for supplier, for customer. For customer, we are the supplier now. Now can see why now can see clearly. Just now I don't share the screen. Everyone see the screen?
Yes, sir, yeah.
So
now can, sir.
How are you doing to quotation? So this is a quotation for job, whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4. Normally they will call job, they will give a job name, or Megan use house. So our direct material is 50,000. Our direct labor, 50,000. So our total cost is how much? $130,000. And then we want to have a markup 130%. Means we want to target a profit 30%. 30% will be 39,000. This is for internal use, not to send to the customer. We show our cost. So our total selling price, or our selling price, 169. Can you understand? Why? Hello? Please give me some response. I need to see response for you all. If you do this business like that, you die soon. Wrong. You actually, if you're doing quotation like that, you will die. Because why? The total cost of production actually not only material, labor, we also have production overhead. What is meant by overhead? Overhead can say expenses. Overhead is called expenses. Sometimes they say our overhead is so high. Means our expenses so high. Like, what is overhead? Like, you have a rental. Your machine will depreciation. Depreciation means your machine will be old. You cannot sell at original price. You have your rates, your electricity. Your water, and others. And then you have another labor like supervisor, your manager salary. This one normally are fixed one. Okay, your machine maintenance, your light, heat, and power. So you don't charge. So how can you profit? Utility expenses, correct. So that's why this is a typical error done by a lot of non-accounting people when we doing business. Why and so how we going to do this? Because we might have a lot of job. A company, a renovation company, they only doing one job per month. They maybe have few job or maybe 10 job, 20 job. Let's say they are a well-done company. They might be have 100 job per day. Like you build a cake house, they also call job costing. Because you have different cakes order. That's why you must consider this thing to in. But you cannot charge it to every job with a price. How are we going to charge it? That's why this is the thing I need to do is overhead costing things. How to do a quotation. So what we need to do is step to prepare quotation. Material labor, no problem. Your first step is accumulated the budgeted production overhead. What is budgeted? Budgeted production overhead, not a right thing one. Not the actual amount. First, maybe we know the rental. Rental always fixed one. Rental, let's say I need to pay the factory rental 10,000. Okay? Then manager salary, production manager, factory manager, production manager salary. Every month I pay them 20,000. Then those utilities sometimes quite fluctuate one correct. What we call is budget. Budget means not actual, but we do an assumption. Let's say every month utility around 5,000, sometimes 5,500, sometimes 4,800. We can't do an exactly utility amount, but roughly stay lah. Don't tell me your utility, your house and utility suddenly from 1,000 you raise up to 10,000 and then this month going to 200. Not possible lah. Like my house I know lah, every month average 300 to 400. Maybe now MCO a little bit higher because every day at home. Otherwise normally it's 200 to 300. This is a budget. All budget. Budget means not actual. Assumption. 假的. And others, you write down this down. Then you come up, this is a 50,000. If you got 49,000, you roughly go to 50,000, not a problem. Why? This is called accumulated or budgeted overhead. Can or not? Why? This is the way we set up our costing system to set the selling price. Then, second step, we're going to find the budgeted production hours. Like this question, they already come up. You got labor hour, you got machine hour. Budgeted data what it means that this is a budget, this is a planning one. This one not near one, not actual. You can't get the actual. Then only we set the selling price cannot. So from here, we already accumulated a period, let's say 1 year or 1 month. 1 month, agak-agak lah, lebih kurang sama lah, lebih kurang 50,000 for these expenses. And then our labor work 5,000 hours. This one you can count one lah. Let's say I got 20 lecturer. Every lecturer teach, I got 20 lecturer. Every lecturer teach 5 hours per day. We work around 200 days, 220 days. Then 20,000 is my labor hours. 2,000 is my labor hours. Why? Doesn't mean all the lecturer must work 5 hours per day. Sometimes they teach 6 hours, sometimes they teach 4 hours, sometimes they work 18 days, sometimes they work 22 days. But this budget is called Not actual one, but we try to get the more accurate one. If you want to get the more accurate one, you collect all the data using statistics to do it. We have a subject called business statistics to do it. This is the method which we learn and we emphasize and put in our costing to set up the system. Why, right? Why, right? Why, right? Then machine hour, you have 2 machines, every machine work 1,000 per month, 1,000 hours per month, that's 2,000. Then from here, you choose the highest one. I choose labor hours because the highest one. Highest one is this company are labor intensive. Labor intensive. Labor intensive, they use more labor hour. Labor hour is more important. Let's say machine hour is 10,000, I will use 10,000. We choose the highest one. Can you understand? Why, right? Why, right? This is from your factory. Your factory, you go to calculate. Then you calculate the production, overheads, absorption rate. We call it POAR. POAR. Means we use budgeted production overheads. We have so many overheads, and then we use the budgeted hours. This one can be hours, can be labor hours, can be machine hours. Sometimes the company like to use unit also can based on volume, but the best way is use machine hour or labor hour, more accurate. So we use 50,000 divided by 5,000 labor hours. Then we got 10 ringgit per labor hours. Per labor hours, sorry. Why? Why? This is the way we set up the costing system. Then only this is a job coming up by a customer. So we start to calculate the quotation. So the quotation for job, what? Job 1002. So direct material, this one very simple. Our factory manager can easily calculate. Or our cost estimated, what we call is cost estimated. We have this post in manufacturing, called cost estimated. They all come from a very good cost and management accounting people also. Our direct labors, you say 4,000 hours, 400 hours times 8 ringgit per hours. This is our labor, labor. So they got 3,002, and then we calculate our production overhead absorbed. Means this job, we should charge them how many overhead. This is a 10 ringgit per labor hour, is it? So we cannot use machine hour, we must use labor hour. Because here is labor hour. So we use 10 ringgit per hour times this 400 hours. Because labor. So they got 4,000. So we got 30,200 will be our total cost of production. Then we have a profit 50%. We have 6,006. Then our selling price should be 19,800. Why? Why? Can you understand? Hello? Means this is mostly many businessmen doing this kind of job. They die. So this is a writing. That's why I don't know you heard about or not. A lot of people say when we doing the what they call if you work as a derivation, people sometimes get rich very fast, but sometimes they will lose every money. like those who are doing big projects, because they don't know how to calculate this. And they are not studying. They are not studying. They are not doing a proper costing system. That's why they're facing a pricing problem. They just based on experience to put the price. That's why sometimes they make profit, sometimes they make loss. By this kind of things, normally our profit will be very guaranteed. Okay, like this thing. We see again, see one more question. This one also labor hours, correct? Correct, labor hours, correct. So our first step is POAR. I use 15,000 divided by, we also using labor hour. $18.75 per labor hours. And then we start to do our quotation. For job 1116. Material 60,000. Labor 2,004 times 12 ringgit. $28800. And then production overhead absorbed. This is a question, but you go to practice. I already illustrate how to use a practice thing to apply in a factory, like I mentioned just now. 45,000. I still using labor. I don't use machine because this is a labor intensive. Okay. $130,000, $133,800 total COP, and then our profit is 30%. So I times 30%. I got 40140. So my selling price is how much? YRN. YRN. Simple lah. This is the way we do it. Okay, we talk about this question, let's say. See, now I will use machine hour. Why? Machine more than labor. Machine more than labor. So our POAR, we use 24,000. 240,000 divided by 7,500 machine hours. I got 32 per machine hour. Per machine hours. So there only have two quotation. Job 1023. Job 1023. So here, our material 72,000. Our labor 1,005. This one cannot change one, you know. You have to follow that one. $37,000. And then my production overhead absorbed for this job, I will use 32 ringgit per machine hours. Machine must time banks. Machine. I will use this, I will use machine hour. Just now labor is part of labor, machine is machine. This question, machine hour is useless because we cannot use machine hour at all. Because our one is labor hour. Because they are labor intensive. And this is machine hour, I will calculate the machine hour. But this one labor cost must calculate on labor. So this is no problem. 164,000. $163,000. And then profit 20%. Selling price. Definitely, if you go to LCCI classes or ACCA class, they will teach you how to set up the whole system. The question will come from the whole question. I can't do it now on today, but I show you what is cost and management accounting. My purpose here is to teach you all the things. It can't be within 2 hours I can do, 3 hours I can do so many things. But this is an introduction, how we're going to do it. But this actually sometimes come out in the question also. Am I too fast? Why I am? Can you follow? Can you understand why I am?
Yeah.
Why I am? No problem, chap rồi à.
No problem. Yeah.
Okay, I go to another topic. Break-even point. Break-even point. Break-even point, actually, if you have Form 5, syllabus is called titik ulangan modal. This is a very useful costing method which apply in our daily life also. What is meant by break-even? No profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Inventory. Tak ada rugi, tak ada untung. Tiada untung, tiada rugi. Okay? So you see here, I just give you an example. So let's say this question. Our selling price is 5 ringgit. Our variable cost normally, let's say now I draw a 5 kway teow. I draw 5 kway teow. My 5 kway teow, one plate, I can sell 5 ringgit. 1 unit I sell 5 ringgit. But definitely I have to pick the meat, kway teow, those what they call siham, you know, those what the sayu, whatever lah. 3 ringgit per unit. And I have to pay rental 1,000. So can you tell me how many units I sell that I do loss? First thing, I ask you a question. One unit of the product, I have profit how much? Can you tell me? Please type your answer. 1 unit, 5 kway teow, I can earn how much? Yeah, 2 ringgit correct. 2 ringgit correct. Any other answer? A little bit painful. Everyone got 2 ringgit or not? Hello. Others,
Yes, sir.
reply the answer to me. 2 ringgit correct. What we call is a contribution. Contribution is 2 ringgit. We use 5 divided by minus 3. Contribution. Okay? So can you tell me how many units you sell, then you have no loss, no profit? How many you sell? Simple calculation. Can you tell me? 1 unit, I earn 2 ringgit. I need to pay rental 100 ringgit, 1,000 ringgit. That's why 500 unit, correct. Very simple. Sales unit to sell, to be sold, no facing loss or break even. Break even point. We call it break even point. Equal 1,000 fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So 500 unit, I won't facing loss. Can you understand? Sub sui lah. Y or N?
Why?
Why ah? Sub sui ah?
Why?
Revenue doesn't facing loss. Revenue, this is a unit. This is revenue is called what? Ringgit Malaysia or dollar. Very simple. 5,000 unit, 500 unit times 5 ringgit per unit. I sell 2,005. Then I don't face loss. Why?
Why?
Because you know, we calculate unit very easy, but normally we don't use units. We use ringgit Malaysia. Why? Because you know, you see, if you talk about unit, if you tell your mother is a 5 woman, your mother, you tell her 500 unit, you can get a big one. Then you count up first unit, second unit, third unit, 3 unit. Keep on counting, count on this. Very trouble. And she cannot do it. Because sometimes you say, I want to get acne, I want to add kway teow, I want to add the plums, I want SIU, then price difference. But you tell your mother around 2,500 ringgit, you can get a break-even. Then your mother very easy. Why? Okay, number 4. If I sell 400 unit, do you think I'm facing loss or I got profit? L or P? L is loss, P is profit. My break even is 500 unit. 400 unit will be profit or loss?
Loss.
Loss, correct. Loss. So you can check. I sell 400 unit. Every unit, I got how many ringgit? 2 ringgit. I got 800 only. But I need to pay rental how much? 1,000. So I got negative 200, means loss 200. Why or N?
Why?
Why? No, number 5. Profit 650 units, 500. I got profit already easy. So this one, profit how much?
Profit
650 times 2 ringgit, but I paid rental. I got 300 profit. Simple. Chap join. This is the break-even. Break-even point is very simple calculation. Simple mathematics. It can be used only for short-term decision making. Very short terms. If you talk about long terms, too many of factors we need to put into the picture. This break-even point sometimes is more suitable in a very quick decision making or a very quick calculation that we only emphasize. Because this is we're using a very simple calculation. For me, I know every business company, they should know. They have selling price how much, the variable cost is how much. Let's say for me, my selling price for LCC is 300. I need to pay teachers 250. Every student, I earn 550 ringgit. Then I know my fixed cost, like rental, my salary, I have an analyzing. So that's why you know, I already calculate like my LCCI, I need at least 50 students to get break even. Every classes, 50 students. Online classes, because I charge so low. This is not 100% accurate. But I know Aga is there. So let's say my break even 50 students. One day I look at my recruitment, I only got 45 students. It means I'm facing loss on this group. I had to push up my marketing people, got another 5 students. Otherwise, we are facing loss. If let's say I already got 80 students, I know, okay lah, I got my break even already. Why? I can earn money already. This is a very simple calculation. Very, very simple calculation. Then sales is the company make a profit. Let's say I want to make a profit 500, how we do? Sales volume to get profit. Because I need to pay rental 1,000 already. And I want to earn extra 500. So total I need to get 150, 1,050, 500 divided by 2. 2 is the profit I earn. Same with this. But the problem, I plus another profit I want. 750 units. Means if I target want to get a profit to pay bonus to my staff, I will tell them at least you get 750 students from me. So break-even point, if selling price decrease, let's say the selling price suddenly decrease. So I know selling price going to 4 ringgit, wherever cost still falling 3 ringgit. So my contribution, we don't say profit, contribution going to 1 ringgit. And my fixed cost or my rental remain 1,000. So my break-even point will be 1,000 divided by 1 ringgit. Let's say suddenly I want to reduce my selling price. I can check. I need to get 1,000 units, then only I get a break-even. Sometimes, as I mentioned, we do a very quick and very fast decision, which we want. This is the thing we come up. Y or N?
Y.
Y or N? Okay. Hereby, this is all formula, which you see I don't do any formula one. I don't want you to study from the formula one. This is all formula. All formula, I don't like formula one. I don't like formula one. For me, costing lah, accounting lah, they shouldn't have formula. This is understanding. All is understanding. I do one more question for you all. Can I try one more question? Contribution means 13 minus 8 will be 5 ringgit per unit. Why am I? Okay, boleh ya? Subtract ya? Sales unit, no facing loss. I use 7,005 divided by 5. units. Revenue, I use 1,005 units times 30 ringgit per unit. Because 1,005 is our unit, I want to change it in ringgit Malaysia, times 3. 4,005. Profit or loss, 1,350 should be lost. Should be lost. So I use 1,350 times 5 minus 7,005. I got negative how much? Very simple, subtract 2, yeah. Negative 750. So this is a loss. Y or N? Boleh lah. Subtract 3 lah. Don't think so much. If I want to sell 1,000, I sell 1,007, I got a profit already lah. I got profit already. My profit is 1,000. Sales unit, if you want to make profit, 3,005. Very simple, using this same thing. 7,005 plus 3,500 divided by 5. 2 units. Okay. Break-even point, if selling price increase to 16. fixed cost rental increased to 9,008. They don't mention variable cost, still 8 ringgit. So here I got 8 ringgit. I got these things, correct? This is a new one. So break-even point will be 9,008 divided by 8. One, 2, 2, 5 units. This is a new break-even. What is it?
Why, sir?
Am I doing wrong? Okay. Can or not?
Can, sir, can.
Okay. Why I think this is some of the question. If you want to do, you go back home to do. Okay, I give you some question. And now is the Q&A section. Now is Q&A section, which I did finish all my things. I give you some moment that we can open mic to talk to each other. Otherwise, we will earlier dismiss. Because normally I arrange 3 hours for you all, but I spare some time for Q&A section. You can use whatever language to ask me. Bahasa Melayu, 华文、英文都可以。Bahasa Tamil sekarang saya masih belajar. I just know how to say Assalamualaikum. I think rather than that, hopeless lah. Anything want to talk to me? Hi everyone. Because you know, today I show you all what is meant by cost and management accounting. My purpose is to tell you all the cost and management accounting, how to use it in our business, the important role of cost and management accounting in our business world. This is first thing. If you go further to study, like management accounting, you will do a project-based, project-based case, like we want to build up a bridge, or I want to build up a KLCC building. Because when you build a KLCC building, you might need 10 years or you might need 5 years, and then the useful of the business is very long period. That's why we need to calculate the future money. So this future money, we call it net present value. So we have so many tactics for you to study. Even for LCCI, it's more than enough for you to understand if you really apply into your business. Okay. Can I know any difference for partner account? Can I know any difference for partner accounts? What you mean is a partnership? Lam mailing partnership account. Oh, partnership account. We have a differences now. Because for the normal business, when we start a trading account, then we go to P&L account, then we prepare our balance sheet. But for partnership, because we have too many owners, we have to prepare another account called P&L appropriation account. The P&L appropriation account will showing how to distribute the profit between the partners. So this is called P&L appropriation. And then later on, we have to prepare a current account. The current account represented each partner's account. Because if we talk about one-man show, we only have one account. So we need not to prepare current account to represent each partners. That's why we need to do 2 more accounts. One is P&L appropriation, Another one is P&L, current account. But definitely I can't show you today's. It actually can learn in the many ways. If you don't mind about Malay section, you can go to the YouTube. You check the topic I did, then you can learn from that, or you attend our LCCI classes, then you can know everything. Okay. The difference between LCCI and ACCA, which one better? Suitable courses for working adult. Okay. LCCI, if let's say normally a SPM, if they go straight away to the ACCA, they will feel difficult to study. LCCI is a pathway. After you study LCCI, then you go for ACCA. ACCA definitely is the highest qualification. This is the first thing. See, a SPM can do many ways. Like SPM, after SPM, go for diploma in accounting, get exemption for ACCA, and then use another year to complete ACCA professional level. This is one of the pathway. Secondly, use LCCI, then do ACCA. Or SPM, direct go for CAT. Do you heard about CAT or FIA? Then go for ACCA. If you talk about working adult, if let's say you are working adult, I don't know what is your age, what is your basic. Let's say your basic, I don't have an accounting basic. I just currently finished my Form 5, then I work, I don't take any courses before. My encourage is you go for SPM, you go for LCCI, and then you go for ACCA. If let's say you say, my SPM result very good, and I don't want to waste time, and my experience quite well, even though you can direct go for ACCA without taking the LCCI, but I'm not encourage those students who have any qualification before direct go to ACCA. You will be very susah. So you can contact our teams to get more things, because I need to, maybe they will have a Google Meet with you, Mr. Miss or Miss, I can't sure, sorry, Afri Amairo. I take out when so my encourage, if possible, you take the LCCI. Better. Okay? Better. Because you don't have much accounting basic. Okay? You're Miss or Mr. Look at this. We Miss, is it? Okay. You all can contact my team also. Oh, Mr. Sorry, Mr. Afri. Okay, and then this Sai doctor. What about CIMA, doctor? You mentioned difference between CIMA and ACCA. If you talk about CIMA more concentrate on management accounting. ACCA concentrate about financial accounting plus a little bit of management accounting. But in fact, in Malaysia, ACCA currently very popular with ACCA. CIM not that popular yet. But then after you take your LCCA, you find that, hey, actually I love cost of management accounting compared to financial accounting a lot. Then I encourage you to take the CIM. But you said both of them also I like it, and I want to be a tax agent, or I want to be an auditor. I would like to more emphasize myself or involve myself in financial things. You should go for ACCA. If you are more in what they call management side, you should go for CIMA. Am I answer your question, Sai doctor? Okay. Tiala Chantran. When we obtain ACCA, can we further on the CPA? Actually, CPA, I think your mention is for the, is it refer chartered public accountant? Or CPA, you refer for the Australia examination? Because the wording CPA sometimes confusing me. You means the public accountant. Okay, good. So after you finish your ACCA, you will automatically to be a chartered accountant, which register in MIA. MIA refer to Malaysia Institute of Accountant. Malaysia Institute of Accountant. So you automatically will be a chartered public accountant after you finish ACCA. Okay, my friends say ACCA is very hard, so better do CIMA. What do you advise on your side, doctor? Okay, talk about ACCA and CIMA. It's very difficult to tell you that which one is more easy, but the examination format change day to day. If you are really love calculation, financial, but it's based on your interest, you know, based on your interested. If let's say you say I like financial, then you go for CIMA, you will be a little bit difficult because CIMA also needed a good language. That's why it's very hard to tell you which one is easier, which one is tougher. For me, quite similar. And nowadays I can say ACCA or CIMA or LCCI is much easier. Compare my time. My time means 1990 something. The time really difficult, very difficult. But now, because due to the shortage of chartered accountant, many of the professional examination, they actually reduce the difficult level. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Arif, I heard that there's a different type of LCCI, one level 2, level 3. Can you explain on this, sir? Okay, when you come for Pintar College to study, we only offer LCCI level 3. This level 3 means we offer from level 1, level 2, level 3, from the very basic system catatan bergu until the final diploma level. And because every level you need to pay the exam fees, and the exam fees is not cheap. But from the market, they only prefer at least you get the level 3. That's why what for you go for take level 1 exam, level 2 exam to burden yourself. So normally we tell students just go for level 3 examination currently. But sometimes we also encourage them to take level 2 examination. Level 1 need not to take. Just for an example, I think some of you all understand that if you get SPM credit in accounting, you can get the level 2 qualification for accounting, bookkeeping. So as I mentioned just now, level 2 is bookkeeping and accounting. Level 3 is accounting. That's why we encourage students directly take the level 3 examination. But in the study process, we started from level 1, level 2. Understand or not, Afi? There's not a compulsory that you must take level 1 and then level 2 and then level 3. You can directly go for level 3. That's why normally we go to level 3 and then further for ACCA. Yeah, Afi, understand now? Okay, good. Any other question? I welcome you to ask me any question about the qualification, about whatever you want to ask. Take the opportunity because I'm here today to answer your question. Hi, Tamil C1. Any question?
Hi, sir. So far, no questions, sir. Everything's okay.
Okay, good.
Thank
And Sai doctor already asked, and this is a Korean name, Nim Sin what? Don't know. I can't see here. Others, you have any question? Gan Ming Wei? Green body? If you don't have any question, Annabelle, Lau Annabelle, or others, have you any question? If you don't have question, maybe I have to stop now. I have to say bye-bye to you all. And please go to like my IG, like my Facebook, because I will do a lot of free classes. Doctor, in my case, I'm not accountant student in SPM for last year, but I complete full set account. Okay, I tell you what. In our college, no matter whatever courses you join in, like Diploma in Accounting, LCCI, accepted ACCA lah. You can take level 3, correct? We start from very beginning level. Like if you know about SPM, we started with System Catatan Bergu, we started to account dagangan, account untung rugi, we started cash flow, buku tunai bincik. This is all very common, very beginning accounting knowledge from level 1. Like I mentioned just now, our courses, LCCI 1-year courses, included level 1, level 2, level 3 for the 3 subject: accounting, business statistics, and advanced business calculation. So you don't feel any stress if you are without accounting knowledge. Like just now also I mentioned, if you ask me, you want to go for ACCA directly or go for LCCI first, I will check your qualification. If your qualification is not matched with SPM level, not your qualification at HR, you better go for LCCI, then you go for ACCA. Otherwise, you feel very stressful. Even though you can direct go for ACCA. Any other question? Can I answer your question, Sai Doctor? Okay. So I try to do a more open seminar, and please inform your friends. In Pintar College, we have a very good lecturer called Dr. Jimmy. Many times doing free classes to them, ask them to join us to know more about Pintar College. I think day-to-day, times to times, I offer free Form 4, Form 5 classes also. You can talk to your relative and ask them to buy my books. My book is very good. Even though I do a lot of things to them, to the school side, they all like my classes. You can go to the, what they call, YouTube to listen my talk, my seminar. If nothing, I think we have to stop now. Thank you very much. Thanks, W. Sivan. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, sir, for the lesson.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you again.
See you.
Thank you very much. Stay safe. Yeah, right. Don't go away. Don't go everywhere. Anyway, now very dangerous. The COVID kill people day to day. Bye-bye, and thank you very much. See you again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.